to my channel, you guys. If you are new, hello, my name is BlancaEstelaBeauty, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. Okay, before I continue, I do want to let you guys know that I am having a giveaway on my Instagram right now. You can go ahead and go to my Instagram and enter to win everything that's on the screen right now. One of the extra entries will be to be subscribed to my channel. So if you guys aren't ready, you guys can go ahead and subscribe before you exit the video or before you leave my channel. It ends on September 6th, and I'll be picking a winner on September 7th. The winner will be DM'd, and I will be picking the winner on my Instagram story like I always do. And yeah, I love you guys and thank you guys for the support. And now back to the video. Looks like this right here. So there's nothing in there because I already took everything out, because I did film a little mini tutorial using the products for my Instagram. So if you guys want to see how I use them, just go to my Instagram when I post it. So I did use the products on my face today. So I do have the products on my face right now. I do have it on the eyes, on the face. Yeah, that's it. The lips, I'm wearing a lip liner by LA Girl. I can't find it. I don't know what I did with it. And then I'm wearing my Tresly Cosmetics lip gloss in Posh. So this one right here. So that's what I'm wearing on the lips. I'm wearing the Blank Mean Collection lashes on my eyes in the style Bali. Sorry, I do have discount codes with both of them. It's the same code, Blanca20. You get 20% off when you shop with both of them. They are in my description box down below, like all my discount codes are. And yeah, so without further ado, I will pull out what I have. So I think I'm gonna go in order of the way that I use it on my face. And of course, they come with the little booklets. So the first thing is a hydration cream mask, and this is by Ahava. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is what it looks like, and this is there. This is Ahava's hydration cream masks. It's infused with Dead Sea water. This mineral rich mask helps brighten and hydrate your skin while drawing out impurities. Does your sun-parched skin need a little extra TLC? This rich formula also works overnight to rehydrate skin. So you can leave it on overnight, or you can just put it on, leave it on for 5 minutes, and then rinse it off. And that's what I did. I did put it on for 5 minutes, and then I rinsed it off. And my skin was really smooth afterwards, so I actually like it. Like, first impressions, I do like it. It is supposed to hydrate your skin, so that's another plus. And this retails for $33. So for this little mask thing. The next thing is a liquid highlighter. This is by Suva Beauty. I think that's how you pronounce the name. This is the packaging of the liquid highlighter. This is the liquid chrome illuminating drops, and this is in the shade Trust Fund. So let me take it out. So pretty. This is what it looks like. And then can you guys see that? So pretty. So I did put this on my face. I mixed it with my foundation, and I put a shitload. So when I was done blending everything out, I looked like really bronze, and like I had a glitter on my face, and I was so scared that I was gonna stay like that. But then after I put on my concealer, I blended it out, and then I put my powder on. I love the way it looks. Like, I don't know if you can see, but you can see the glow from this shit. Like, oh my god. Like, especially because I put a shit right here. You can probably see it, I don't know, but I put it all over my face. I mixed it with my foundation, and it is so pretty. It was really easy to blend out, and a little does go a long way, because I put a shitload and I was like, oh my god. But yeah, I do recommend this. This is a really pretty. I love it. And the thing I also like about it is that I don't tend to put liquid highlighters on my face, because they tend to make my pores look bigger, because I do have big pores. But this did not make my pores look bigger. Like, look at that. It looks pretty. Okay, so Suva Beauty's Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops in Trust Fund retails for $26. Summer equals the time to shine. This liquid highlighter gets you glowing from head to toe, whether you're going for a subtle sheen or an extra strobe effect. Hitting the dance floor, the water resistant formula won't budge when you're busting a move. So you can use this on your face, and you can also use it all over your body, which is pretty good. And the thing that it's water resistant is actually pretty good because I get really oily, so that's probably gonna be good for me. We'll see what happens. Okay, so the next thing is a set of brushes. This is by Farrah, and this is their five-piece Eye Perfection set. This is what they look like. I did put everything back in its packaging just so you guys can actually see the packaging and stuff. They are dirty because I did use them already, but I will take them out and show them to you guys. So it's a 5-piece. I used all of them except for one. This one right here is brush 65E. This is their large shading brush. Right there. The next one is their mini tapered blending brush, and I actually like how this brush helped me get my shadow on my crease. It actually kept it really precise and didn't move it anywhere, so I'm actually going to be using that one a lot. The next one is their 6 short shading brush. This one right here. And I actually use this one to apply the shadow underneath my under eye, and it actually worked really good. Really good. So I'm going to use that one as well. I did like the first one. I used it to blend out my transition shade, and it worked pretty good. I really liked it. It is a little bit too big for me though, so I have to be careful with it because it can mess up my eyebrows. I mean, they're not good eyebrows, but like they can't get more fucked up, you know. The next one is brush number 205, Fly Wings. So I'm guessing this one is to make your eyeliner. But I used it to apply the shimmer eyeshadow on my lid because that's the only brush that I could, because it was the closest one to a flat brush, and it actually did a good job at putting my shimmer eyeshadow. And since it was angled, it actually put it on pretty precise. So and then the last one is the one that I didn't use. This one is the 35E tapered blending brush, because I did use the other one, and I think I would use this one to blend out the crease, but since I already was using that one, I didn't want to get this one dirty. But yeah, these are the brushes right here. I do like the packaging. They're really lightweight, which is good, and they're silver, which is pretty. Okay, so put them back in here. So these brushes retail for $48. Damn. When beauty lovers create products, you know it's going to be good. This 5-piece eyeshadow set is designed to seamlessly shade and blend with professional level quality. Sorry. Completely vegan and cruelty free, each brush can be used with both creams and powders. And yeah, pretty cool. So this month I did get 2 palettes. I got a face palette, and one is an eyeshadow and a face palette. I was pretty excited. First I was like, am I really getting 2 palettes? But I did. So I was pretty excited about that. The first one is by NYX, and this is their Sweet Chic blush palette. So it is a blush palette. This one right here. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the packaging. I do have the blush on right now. I actually mixed 2 of them. So it looks like. And then these are the shades. And right now I'm wearing this one and this one. So I mixed these 2 right now. And it looks really pretty. You know me, I like a shimmery blush. So of course I was going to mix them. Their Sweet Chic blush palette retails for $20. Why work with one shade when you can mix, match, and layer 8? This collection of cheek colors includes neutral mattes and shimmery pinks that double as gorgeous eyeshadows. That's true. I always use any powder as an eyeshadow if I want to. And you have like, and I don't have this pink in an eyeshadow, so that's pretty cool. But I do like to mix blushes sometimes just because I'm really like specific on the blushes I like. Last thing is another palette. This is by The Balm, and this is there in the palm of your hand. Get it? Oh my god. So this palette includes greatest hits from the volume 2. This is what it looks like. And then this is the back. I'll take it out. And it just looks the same as the front and the back. And then these are the shades inside. It comes with the mirror, of course. So you guys can see which ones I used. I used the bronzer. I'm wearing the bronzer right now. I didn't use no blushes because I'm wearing the NYX palette. And I did use the highlighter though. So I am wearing this highlighter right now. And I did use all these 4 shadows. So I used this one in my transition shade. Then I put this in my crease and to smoke it out. And then this is the shade that I have in my lid. And then this is the shade that I have in my under eye. So it's a really pretty palette. I do like it. It was my first time trying eyeshadows by The Balm. Oh, no, that's not true. When I had the regular Ipsy subscription, we would get mini ones. But I would give those away. But I did use some of them, but I did give them away because they were little. And I don't have a loose palette to put them in, so I just give them away. But yeah, they're really good eyeshadows. I really like this. And I like how it has face powders too. So this will actually be really good for traveling. So Balm Cosmetics in the palm of your hand, greatest hits volume 2 palette retails for $32. Endless looks and one sleek palette from eyeshadows and blushes to bronzer and highlighter. This baby has it all and then some. We love how portable it is, so we'll be packing it in for all the summer weddings, long weekends away, and more. And that is it for this video. That's all that I got. I do like every product that I used. I probably won't be giving anything away because I liked everything. When I get, see, because I have 2 subscriptions, I have 2 monthly subscriptions. So when I get products that I know I'm not going to use, I give them away. And I get palettes every month from both of them. So, but this month I'm not giving none of this away. I'm probably going to be using the highlighter a lot depending on how it goes today with my makeup, and I'm gonna be using the palettes and the brushes for sure, and the blush palette. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, bye guys.